And welcome! What's up, guys? Welcome to the Right Butt Cheek channel. Hope you're all having a great day. Today we are going to be opening a box of 2024 certified football. Pretty excited for this one. It's the most expensive single box that we have opened on the channel so far, and maybe for a little bit. Who knows? Maybe if we get some good hits out of here, we'll keep growing. But nonetheless, I'm super excited for it. Blessed to be able to open up something like this. So let's keep it moving on. Hey, if you get a chance, please like, share, subscribe, throw a comment in there. It is all greatly appreciated. Naturally, we're keeping the tracker going 39 days without speaking to left butt cheek. As you can see, I got the eBay and whatnot channels as well. A good chance most of these cards will be for sale on eBay. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into it. Let's adjust the camera here real quick. That should do it. That should do it. So there we go. As you can see, it's sealed 2024 certified box. Find 2 autographs, 2 memorabilia cards. Excited to see what we get. Three numbered parallels on average, and looking for those case hits, the rookie certification, night moves, and the mighty. I want to say I've only seen the night moves really. So let's see what we can get. As you can see, a huge list of what's possible. A ton of numbered cards, a lot of numbered inserts. Let's see what we get. Have some fun. Speaking of one of the guys in the box, we'll be getting the start coming up this weekend. Excited to see what he makes of that. Let's see. That one's got some more coming. Alright, here's our packs. Got 10 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. Got them all out there. Good deal. Alright, guys, well, let's have some fun. See what we pull. Looking for 2 autographs and a few numbered, a couple of memorabilia cards. Alright, one more. Land. Russ. Looks like we got rookie patch, Jalen Wright, the Dolphins. Looks like 38 out of 199. Ooh, that's a sick patch too. And then we got another Dolphin with Tyreek Hill, the gold team on the back. Man, that is sick looking. Look at that patch. I'll take it. 38 out of 199. And we'll get that guy nice and protected after the video. And we have Tyreek on the back. Alright, I'm happy to see a nice rookie. Certified's always been one of my favorites. They always seem to have some pretty sweet patches. So that's honestly a patch that I feel like I was seeing out of some of the SOTL boxes. So this being just a regular hobby box, I'm happy to see it come through. Good start with the first pack there. Let's move on to pack number 2. Alright. Boom, Rodgers. Jordan Love. We got a blue out of 75. Rookie. Can't see the name. Devontae Walker. Nice looking card. moving. Again, if you're enjoying the video, want to see some more rips, definitely give a subscribe. If you guys can, give a like, give a comment. All of it's very much appreciated. Alright, let's keep it going. Bills, DK Metcalf, Will Levis, Aiden Hutchinson. He's a baller. Unfortunately got hurt. Out of 99 pieces of the game. Yeah, I love the certified cards. I don't believe, not from any game used event, but nonetheless, still a cool card. Alright, so we got both of our both of our memorabilia cards, I should say. And not too disappointed. They could have definitely been worse. Pretty happy with that. Then we got franchise foundations on the back, which those parallels look pretty sweet. The numbered ones look even better. Good deal. Pulling some pretty cool dudes so far. Alright, let's keep it moving. See what autographs we end up getting. Seems to be a pretty decent box. Really happy with anything we get. Of course, happens to be a banger. Hey, we'll take it. Got Jalen Waddle, Ayuk, Kyron. Got here, rookie, Malik. Yeah, I think that's a filler. Alright, so that's our second numbered card. Both rookies. Take that. Filler. And then Ricky Williams on the Immortals. Let's stack these guys up a little better. These base cards. Get the two numbered. Gold team. Get the inserts over there. You guys not numbered, right? No. We'll take the cheetah. Alright, let's keep it moving. Still waiting for hopefully those two autos. I know it's on average. Better get at least one, right? Alright. Ward, Sweats, Zay, Burrow. Well, let's see some rookie QB action. Oh, that's what we're really looking for. So we got Kelsey. Yeah, I think that was the first all base pack. I didn't miss anything in that one, right? No rookies either. Alright. Keep it moving. This seems to be a skinnier one too. Okay, got the kid reporter on the back. Let's get that guy out of here. Hunter, Stevenson, Greenlaw. We got a pink Aiden O'Connell. Ooh, rookie. Got a certified rookie Xavier Worthy. That's a pretty dope looking card. Alright, so those are our three numbered. Aiden, 22 out of 225. Got Malik, out of 275. And you can really see that one. Walker, out of 75. Alright, keep moving. Where's some autographs? Let's see. That's another skinny one. These are two pretty fat ones. That's another skinny one. Let's keep the fat ones for last, I suppose. Let's get get a Bo, maybe a Drake May, Franklin, Bates, Brees, Jalen, another number card. Oh, nice. Alright. Well, kind of nice. Alright. Be completely honest with you, I don't know who that is. But dope looking card nonetheless. I'm sure he was a beast. Look at that jersey. I don't know. Let's keep moving. We got a couple extra number cards. 3 more packs. I'm gonna try to keep the videos a little shorter. So we'll keep it moving on. Base, stealing. This is our first auto. Ooh, got 25. And a TO on the back. Yo, that's cool. Will Shipley, Eagles rookie. 21 out of 25. Not bad, not bad. That's just a sweet looking card. Alright, we'll put this guy up here again afterwards. I'll need to find all the right size penny sleeves and top loaders, but I will protect all these guys after the video. So, still looking for one more autograph. And it looks like we got all the numbered cards, so yeah, feeling pretty good about this rip, guys. I mean, almost $300 box. Feel like things could have been worse. And we still got 2 packs, so happy to be where we're at. And if you guys are still tuning in, I appreciate it. Again, if you can get a like, follow, share, subscribe, let's keep it going. Allen, Lamb. We got Drake London. Another numbered card. Did I read the box wrong? Find 3 numbered parallels per box on average. Okay. Well, we got Theo Johnson, our 6th numbered card out of here. Out of 350. Tight end, rookie with the Giants. We got a filler. And then we got the guy on the box that's getting the start this weekend, so that's pretty cool to pull there. Penix Jr. on the certified rookies. Again, those cards are pretty sweet looking. Wish it was numbered. Pulling a lot of rookies out of here, though. I'm pretty happy with this box, I gotta say. Still hoping for one more autograph, although we got quite a few numbered cards. Did get the 2 patches, which are also numbered. So let's see what we got here. Last pack mojo. Hopefully got one more autograph. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Purdy. Stafford. Devontae. We got ourselves a backwards thick boy. Devontae. Isaac. Gorendo. The RPA out of 399. Man, he just got kind of hurt, but hopefully he comes back pretty strong. That is awesome. Man, what a box. And then 2nd year Stroud on the back, which again, those cards are pretty cool. Now we will take that. Got Shipley, Gorendo, if I'm butchering the name at all. Let's get Rome out of here. Alright. There we go. So as you guys can see, most of the hits here in front of us. Got quite a few numbered. Got everything that we were pretty much promised in the box and a little bit more. So I'm a pretty happy camper over here. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Again, if you can, give me a comment. What was your favorite card? What's a product coming up that you would like to see open on the stream? Let's keep it going. So thanks for tuning in. The Right Butt Cheek channel. Hope you guys have a great day.